How to enable Android System WebView updates on Android. This tutorial shows you how to make sure it stays up to date so your apps run properly straight away. First, open the Play Store on your Android device. From there, tap your profile icon at the top right of the screen. After that, tap Manage Apps and Device from the menu. At this point, tap Updates Available to see a list of apps with pending updates. From here, scroll through the list and look for Android System WebView. If an update is available, tap Update next to it to install it straight away. Following this, if you don't see it in the updates list, tap the search icon at the top of the Play Store and type in Android System WebView. After that, open the app page from the results and tap Update if the button is available, or it will show Open if it's already on the latest version. Finally, once updated, Android System WebView runs silently in the background and helps other apps display web content correctly without you needing to do anything else. Keep in mind that keeping Android System WebView updated is important, since outdated versions can cause other apps to crash or behave unexpectedly. That's how you update Android System WebView on Android. If this was helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you never miss an upload. See you then!